Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Today we are going to be touring this 24 by 56 Fleetwood Canyon Lake series. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Fleetwood builds a beautiful home. Let's go ahead and take a look at this exterior. We've upgraded this home with 2 eyebrows on the A half and the B half. They have the beautiful columns. It adds a lot of nice architecture with that lap siding. There's other things you can do, so if you want, contact us. If you're new to this channel, we premiere new tours on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. This is an open floor plan, as you can see. I apologize for the poor lighting. Sometimes in these homes it's hard to judge the lighting, but this is an open floor plan. It's nice for entertainment, especially if you have your family over, friends. If you have kids, this is great. You could be in the kitchen while watching the kids. This is the standard flooring, the linoleum and the carpet, so you could see the great quality of this, the standard linoleum there. It lines up on the marriage line. Some people like the softness that the carpet gives. So this is your standard flooring in a Fleetwood home. We also, you're going to see here, we do have laminate countertops. The laminate countertops today are so much better than what they used to be right here. It also, if the light hits it right, you could see a little bit of the texture that we're trying to show you. This breakfast bar, you could easily fit 3 people. You could even maybe fit 4, depending on the size. These are your paper wrap cabinets. Again, this is an entry-level home. You have options. You can upgrade to hardwood cabinets. But this is a really nice pantry area. A lot of cabinets over here. We went with the white kitchen appliances on this medium brown wood cabinets. There's that 6-inch backsplash. Standard, this is your stainless steel sink, dual cell. Over here you can also see that this kitchen island does have cabinet space underneath, so that's also nice. It's a breakfast bar with a lot of storage over there, and it makes it easy if you cook. You could always use that as a cutting board. Let's go down this hallway over here, over to the right. This is the utility room. You could have side-by-side washer and dryers. We also have that rack overhead that's right over here. You could hang your clothes on or put some on the shelving. As we go back out down the hallway over here on the right. Oh, again, you know, their finish work is very nice. They're not using like a thick baseboard, but it is a good quality. The workmanship is great. Here's the guest bathroom. Again, you can see we did go with the laminate countertops throughout in the linoleum and carpet. So this linoleum is really nice. So if you're looking to save money, that's one area that you could save money on these homes. This is a great size guest bedroom. Let's go across the hallway over here into the second bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious. You have a closet over here. You can easily fit a queen bed in this room, maybe even a king. But if you want to have some nightstands, put a queen bed in here. Now we save the best for last. Let's go take a look. Over here to the left is the master bedroom. I love this master bedroom. It's very spacious. You can even have a nice large entertainment center in your bedroom, or a reading nook. A little office in the corner because this bedroom is so long. Just to give you an idea, look how big this bathroom is. I love it. a his and her sink, a walk-in shower. Fleetwood did a really good job with this home. Our customers were so happy when they moved in. So if you're new to the channel, again, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, give us love by hitting that like button. And we hope you have a good rest of your day. Check out the links in the description of this video.